1. Separation of dye from ink. For this experiment, a watch glass with full of ink has taken and put it on a beaker that is half filled with water. The water is boiling with the help of Bunsen burner. With the help of the boiling temperature, the entire watch glass and ink was boiling, and from there the water that was present along with the ink, it was evaporating. So after complete evaporation, only the dust of ink will remain as the residue on the watch glass. So from this experiment we can easily separate the dye from ink. Experiment 2. Separation with centrifugation. Centrifugation is a process by which the solid substances or the solute is separated from the liquid by a complete or a constant rotation process in a medium. Here, with the help of the excessive movement or excessive rotation, the entire solute substances comes as residue under the liquid. Experiment 3. Simple chromatography. Here for the experiment, a beaker with half-filled water is taken and a piece of paper. At the part of a paper, a drop of black ink is given and the ink is poured into the water so that the paper can be able to suck the water or absorb the water from the beaker. Whenever gradually water used to absorb by the paper as well as color used to change itself, it means color used to shows its variations of different color as a rainbow. So from here, separation of different colors from the same ink can be separated. Experiment 4. Separation of two miscible liquids. Here, a distillation flask is taken with a mixed solution and then it is burned by the Bunsen burner. Then a part of the liquid it used to evaporate, and from the another channel or another pipe it used to separate it with the help of water condenser and water outlet. In this manner, two different miscible liquids used to separate out. Experiment 5. Separation of two immiscible liquids. Here two different type of liquids of different density are being taken in a separating funnel. Then a kind of liquid is used to separate it from the another liquid with the help of stopcock. Experiment 6. Separation of camphor from sand. Here a china dish with mixture of sand and camphor is taken and keep it on a Bunsen burner for burning. After that, a funnel it used to cover the entire mixture on the china dish and the top cylindrical part of the china dish, and covered it on the top of the cylindrical part with a cotton. And whenever the entire china dish it used to burn gradually, at that time the entire camphor it used to evaporate and make a shield like or cover like structure on the inner wall of the funnel. In such manner it can be separated.